Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Rizwana's Rasoi. I'm sure most of us have explored different varieties of kebab, and so today I have come to you with one such kebab recipe called chicken gilafi kebab. This particular recipe does not just taste fabulous but also looks very appetizing. So let us check out the ingredients and get started. First, I am going to prepare a powder. For that, I have taken 15 cashews and half cup of roasted chana dal. If you do not get roasted chana dal, you can use 1/3 cup of besan or gram flour, but make sure that you roast it before using it. I am going to add this to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine powder without adding water. So here our powder prepared with cashews and chana dal is ready. So I'll be keeping this aside and putting it to use later while making the kebabs. So here I have taken half kg, that is 500 grams of boneless chicken, which is cut into small cubes, and to this I'm going to add all the ingredients which we will later blend it in a mixer jar or a chopper. To the chicken I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next in goes 3 green chilies. You can add more if you want it spicier. Then a handful of coriander leaves and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Next goes in all the spices. So first goes in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of crushed coriander seeds. So here I have taken some coriander seeds, roasted them and crushed them coarsely and then used it in the mixture. Do not use coriander powder. Next I am adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala. You can make use of homemade garam masala or the store bought one, anything of your choice. Next I am adding 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then I am adding salt as per taste. Next I am going to add in the powder that we initially prepared. So this is going to act as a binding agent to our kebabs. These are fried onions. So here I have taken one medium sized onion, thinly sliced it and then deep fried until golden brown. Then I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can also add butter or fresh cream. This will help to keep the kebabs moist and juicy. Finally, I am adding around 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice. So here I have added all the ingredients that is required for our kebab mixture. I am now going to add this to a mixer jar or chopper and grind them till they are nice and fine. So here our kebab mixture is ready and you can see the consistency, it is nice and smooth. I am going to refrigerate this for 20 minutes before we start preparing the kebabs. So here comes the main procedure which makes this kebab different from the others. Chicken gilafi kebab, as the name suggests, gilafi means a covering. So we are going to coat the chicken kebab with a covering made with vegetables. So I have taken a medium sized red bell pepper, capsicum and onion and finely chopped it. You can also add yellow bell pepper to make it look more attractive and colorful. So now I am going to mix all these vegetables together. After 20 minutes I have removed the kebab mixture from the refrigerator and now we can get them onto the skewers. So now I will show you how to make the kebab with the help of skewers. So here I have taken such skewers. If you do not have them, you can use any kitchen tool or even a stick. Now dip your hands in water and take a generous portion of the kebab mixture. Flatten the mixture on your palm and then place the skewer right at the center. Here I have used 2 skewers in order to increase the width because my skewers are thin. If you have a thicker skewer, you can just use a single one. So now with the help of your hands, cover the skewers with the kebab mixture. Do not make too thick or too thin kebabs. Just ensure that the thickness is evenly spread throughout its length. Now with the help of your fingers, you can make impressions on your kebab. Keep wetting your hands as and when required so that your hands does not stick to the kebab mix. So I have mixed all the vegetables well, which will form the covering for our Gilafi kebab. So here we have the skewers that we prepared and kept. Roll the kebab skewer over the vegetable mix gently so that it gets coated well with all the vegetables. Now gently press it with your hands so that all the vegetables sticks on to our kebabs. So here our Gilafi kebab is ready with all the vegetables coated well. We can repeat the same with the remaining skewers. Now I am going to start frying the kebabs. For that, in a shallow pan I have taken some oil and gently place the kebabs one by one. Be very careful since they are very delicate. Do not flip it immediately. Wait till it gets a golden brown on one side and then you can flip them over. Keep the flame on low while frying the kebabs. At frequent intervals, just keep a check on the kebabs and just wait for a light golden color on both sides. Also, since they are coated with vegetables, there are chances of getting it burnt very easily. So be very cautious while frying the kebabs. So our juicy Gilafi kebabs are ready. We can get them off the flame. I am now going to show you a very simple green chutney that goes very well with all your kebabs. So for that, in a mixer jar I have taken 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next I am adding 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves, half cup of fresh mint leaves, 2 green chilies which you can adjust as per your taste, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, salt as per taste, and to give our chutney a nice consistency and restaurant style taste, I am now adding 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Do not add water and just grind all the ingredients together to prepare our delicious green chutney. The kebabs taste best when served with this green chutney. So friends, our plate of juicy succulent chicken Gilafi kebabs are ready and can be served with mint chutney, lachha onions and lemon wedges. Do try this recipe, and until we meet next time, is bye from Rizwana's Rasoi. Thank you for watching.